Hi, dear brothers and sisters on earth. This is a certification system, right? Where you can generate your cert, your cert into PDF fast, right? It's all based on the data that you key in here, right? And also the serial number, and it will generate a PDF files that's store into this location wherever you specify. So there are the three steps, right? First step, second step, and the third step is you go when you come to the print, right? You just click on the print. It will print it into PDF, right? If you don't want to print it into PDF, you can uncheck this. Then it will print to your physical printed copy, right? And that's hopefully we can save the earth, right? With reduce paper waste, right? Thank you. So remember, right? Nothing belongs to us. Even the air we breathe must be exhaled. Knowing that if you can give, give, right? Thank you.